2 a.m. I cannot sleep, so I'm doing my meal prep early. I have my onions and peppers, some pasta back there, and just want to show you guys this is the pasta. Vegan. A lot of people always ask me when I post pasta or sandwiches, like, oh, doesn't your bread contain milk and eggs or your pasta? No, and most brands don't have those ingredients in there. Check still, but they don't. Pasta's done now. I'm doing my rice. Oh, actually, and the water's colored again because I seasoned my water before I put my rice in there. That's how I get like that yellow coloring. And I just added my spinach. I didn't know it was frozen that hard, so hopefully it doesn't like overcook my peppers. Okay, clearly I was being dramatic. All I had to do was break it down a little bit. And just like that, here is my lunch for the week. It's just peppers, onions, spinach, pasta. I'm still debating if I want to add these garbanzo beans. I think I am, just because I like to be extra with my protein. But I don't know. 3 a.m. and your girl is finished. Okay, breakfast this week is oatmeal with a little bit of cinnamon, sugar, nutmeg, and blueberries. And then the pasta, and then I have avocado slices that I'll put on top of the pasta for lunch. And then my apple slices for snacks. I eat apple slices probably almost every week for my snack. Dinner, literally rice and beans. I love rice and beans. Each day I'll saute different veggies to put on there. Then I have apple cider vinegar tea for each day. Apple cider vinegar, water, honey, cayenne pepper, turmeric. Then I have kale juice. I'm only doing 4 this week. And it's kale, honey. I made it last week, so whatever was in that mixture. I believe it was strawberry, pineapples. And then my magnesium powder, I'm only going to do it 3 times this week, but I still portion it out because if I don't, I won't take it. But I'm done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Only took an hour. One of my time-saving tips is yesterday while I was cooking my breakfast burritos, while things were sauteing, I did little things yesterday. So yesterday I portioned out my oatmeal all in the containers. I sliced my avocados yesterday, and I put like a little lemon juice and salt in each one just to help preserve it for the week, because the avocados will go bad in like 2 seconds after you slice it. And I sliced my apples as well yesterday, so that saved me a lot of time right now where it only took me an hour because I only had to cook rice and pasta and veggies. And then the juice, I always try to pre-make juice every week, so I have a lot on deck. Unfortunately, I only had 4 left. But when I make juice again next week, and I might make some later today, it's usually 10, so it usually lasts me about 2 to 3 weeks every time I make juice and I put it in the freezer. One more thing, I did not add garbanzo beans to my pasta this week. I'm just not feeling it. I think I'll be good in the protein department this week.